Hey guys, so this week's Worship with Tim is a little bit different, and I want to give a little bit context before we um, dive straight into it. Um, Me and my friends are going to be singing a Filipino song, just describing about God's goodness and His faithfulness. As many of you couldn't have told, I'm Filipino, but I'm probably the whitest Filipino. So I got my gang to help me out here, especially Justine as the vocalist. So shout out Justine. But yeah, there's this song has been upon my heart and it's been upon the heart of my church, especially because thank God we've able to establish our own like permanent church home and our own permanent church building. So God's just been so good to not only like me, not only to my church, not only to um, the people around me, but just in general. God is so good and He's so faithful. And I just wanted to share this little special part of like our Filipino culture and things like that because I'm literally translating it right now. So yeah, I want y'all to just enjoy and have a good time with this week's worship with Tim.